So we're attending 100% Optical at the XL at the end of February. It's a show for opticians from across the UK, and we're launching Optinet Nova, the cloud-based software, so we're hoping lots of interest in our new software. They expect around about 10 to 11,000 people come to the show, so from that hoping we'll have enough sales to keep us going for the rest of the year. We, as a company, we've got two elements. We've got the software side and the business support side in National Eye Care Group. So our aim is to support independent opticians, small independent opticians, but part of that is being sustainable for the future, not only for the business, but for the environment we're working in. Really pleased with it. It's turned out if better than we thought it was going to. So really pleased, and be ready for the show in 2-3 weeks' time. It's essential. I mean, you're going to have hundreds of other stands around. You have to have a stand that stands out, as noticeable, easy to find for your current clients, but also when people wander past, they look at it and see something that attracts them onto the stand, so we can have conversations with them. So we've been using Quadrant now since 2012. And over that time we've not had to have our newest stand every year because we've reused the graphics and just reconfigured the way it looks. So over that time we've probably had 3 incarnations, but each time we can renew it for the next time and change it the way we want it for the space we need for which shows we're doing. It's very useful actually. We don't always come down because we've used Quadrant for a number of years, but actually this is a brand new stand for us, brand new coloration. So it's really nice to see it in style, because actually seeing the blue on live is different to seeing it on a screen, so it's given us a real idea of what to do for the show, which is great. You know, and it helps the bank balance because it's just so much cheaper than having a new stand. And you know, we're now a carbon neutral company, and it reduces the amount of throwaway, and that's what we've got to be going for the future. Stop throwing things away, keep reusing them, which was what we do with Quadrant.